clinic and IVF success really is the lab. And it's not just like one big difference between one lab to the next, but it's all the little tiny, when you think about it, we do the clinical side, we, say, do the procedure to retrieve eggs. They go through this like little Mr. Rogers window in our procedure room into the lab and literally little test tubes. And then that second that they go into the incubators in the lab, it's really important, I think, that the lab is on a unified front. They have very specific protocols in place. They have good direction from the lab director. And all of those little tiny steps that happen from the second the eggs get to the incubator, fertilization protocols, blast development, which is when they're growing out the embryos for the 5 to 6 days in culture, all of those things, techniques, and that all the embryologists are well trained. I think they have to have really good oversight from the direction of the lab director. And I think it's surprisingly variable from one lab to the next. And it's hard to really, I think as a patient, really be able to synthesize or really understand that part of it. But it does have a huge, huge impact on overall success rates with IVF in general. So it's important to think about that as well.